In this module, let's take a look at IT team interaction with other stakeholders in the organization. So what we're trying to understand in this module is, how does IT really work with other departments and other entities in the organization? And how does it interact with them? So IT budget and projects are approved by the IT steering committee mostly, or by the board, which is an annual process mostly. Business requirements and new projects are there. There's an audit and compliance requirement for which IT has to interact. And there are expansion of branches, new offices and regions, and maintenance of the network and infrastructure, IT support for computing, and business continuity in DR. Let's take a look at each one of these. So IT budget projects are approved by the IT steering committee, an annual process. There's a Capex and an opex layout, and this includes new projects and licensing and maintenance of existing projects which are in operations, and then new hirings. So the IT has to go out once a year and has to lay out its budget, its requirements, and incorporating all the different projects existing and the new ones. Then we have business requirements and new projects taking place, which are actually initiated by business. So we have new upcoming business projects. You have change requests and expansion of existing business-driven projects, a business application, for example, a core banking system, for example, vendor management for business solutions. So whenever an IT application needs to be changed, it's IT which takes leadership to help the business make the changes in the business solution or business application. And then UAT, the user acceptance testing of the business applications, also has to take place. Audit and compliance is a very important area driven especially in larger organizations which are well-regulated industries. Audit and compliance has to take place. There's an external audit by designated external auditors. There's an internal audit function because there's an internal audit department, and they audit each department, and they also audit IT. And it's an ongoing annual activity. There's compliance activity because the regulator issues regulations, and then organizations have to comply. And this is a program which is driven inside the organization. IT has to comply to the regulator stipulations. And then there's information security and risk departments, and that activity is also taking place for security and risk. You have expansion of branches and maintenance, IT requirements for business expansion like new branches, new locations, new territories, and maintenance of existing IT infrastructure, UPSs. They may get burnt or they may require maintenance. There's networking and bandwidth circuits. So there's IT support. The next one is IT support for computing and help desk. So new software and version rollout, for example, migration of the new antivirus program, because the antivirus program is being changed, and 5,000 users in the organization all require a change in the antivirus or the email program. And then IT support for business functions like application not working, the speed is slow, from the help desk. And the help desk personnel, the IT people, actually go out and fix IT problems. And there may be software bugs which need to be fixed also on computers or on servers or in applications. And then there's a business continuity and disaster recovery activity. And disaster recovery is a technology function, is an IT function, which interaction with business is also required for testing and for interaction and alignment. And business continuity is handled under business operations, for which IT also participates. There's an umbrella business continuity program, and disaster recovery fits in as a module into that business continuity program. And IT interacts and works and cooperates with the organizational business continuity program. Thank you.